Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to Back and Back. Boom. How you doing this morning? Well, it's morning right now. I'm not gonna hold you up. I have this 2011 Mazda CX-9, and I'm about to show you how to do the oil change. Also, I have the video how to do the oil change in a 2018 Mazda CX-9. Okay, they different though, because the 18 version, the 2018 Mazda CX-9 has a 2.5 liter engine. All right, this 2011 Mazda CX-9 has a 3.7 liter engine, so that's the difference right there. Just in case you guys like, oh, why are you gonna do another video of how to do the oil change in a Mazda CX-9 if they the same? They are not the same, and that's why I'm doing the video, right? Just so you know what I'm saying. Other than that, I just want to let you know that. Other than that, on the other hand, please wear your safety goggles, safety glasses all the time. Know what I'm saying? You never know. Okay, so protect your neck, take care of your eyes, and gloves also. Okay. And furthermore, if you need a specific video, like let's say Chevy Impala, you know how to do the oil change, just click my channel right below this screen. You see my channel, right? Click on it and then go to videos, and then you can look it up, the specific vehicle you're looking for. All right, and that's it for now. Like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get into this oil change in this 2011 Mazda CX-9. Before I forget, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach the 1 million subscribers. Now I'm saying next year I'm gonna run for president, so help me out. Help us to reach that goal. Help me reach that goal. Alright, and I would appreciate it a lot, my friends. And I also wanna say that let's say 80. I'm gonna say it again. 85% of the people that are watching my videos, these beautiful videos, haven't subscribed. So please, what are you waiting for? It's for free. All right, so take advantage for now. You know what I'm saying, and do that. Subscribe to my channel, please. Hit the like button, share, destroy the subscribe button. I destroy it, hit it, bang it. Do the same with the like button, share it, and because maybe you know someone that has a Mazda, you know, CX-9, alright, and need to get things done. Okay, and please, the feedback, anything you need to say, any comment, any idea, you know what I'm saying, whatever you think, whatever you have in mind, put it in the comment box for me. I would appreciate it, and the people that watch these videos also will appreciate it. Alright, so like I said, I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Let's get it. Let's do this oil change in this Mazda CX-9 2011. Jala chipuas, tu bzz. Boom. Hey, how you doing, guys? Welcome back to hey, how you doing? Welcome back. So I hope you liked the video how to do the oil change in this 2011 Mazda CX-9. Alright. I can tell this vehicle doesn't have a procedure how to do the oil life reset, so I'm just gonna leave it right here. Other than that, I just want to say that if you want to see other videos like a specific vehicle, like let's say Chrysler 2010 Town Country, you know, just hit my channel button. It's right below this screen. What it says, ads to ads with my display picture. Click there, then go to videos and look. You can look there for the specific vehicle you're looking for. Alright. Yeah, so let me give you a rundown of what I did. In this 2011 Mazda CX-9 3.7 liter engine, I pour 5.5 quarts of 5W20. Alright. Also, you can see the butts of the oil filter. It has the different types of brands and the part number for this vehicle. Okay. Other than that, I just want to say thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoy. And I'm just gonna leave it right here. I'm not gonna hold you up no more. Remember, always wear safety glasses, safety goggles, and your gloves. All right. The story behind the gloves is that it's not much getting your hands greasy. It is more like the chemicals in the oil and the coolant and all those fluids. Okay, it contains chemicals that cause cancer. Alright, so protect yourself, protect your neck, and the goggles are for your eyes. Alright, other than that, I'm just gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit destroy, bang the subscribe button, please. I'm trying to reach the 1 million subscribers, so help me reach that goal, please. I'm almost there. And do the same with the like button. Give thumbs up, share. Maybe you know someone that has a Mazda CX-9. Share this video, please. Your friend's gonna appreciate it. And any comments, any ideas, anything you need to say, anything you have in mind, put in the comment box for me. Alright, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Holla at your boy. I'll see you in the next one. Burung astu. Hey!